Alright, today we're going to be looking at a sample problem. Gold, atomic symbol Au, is a heavy metal, meaning it has a high density, 19.3 grams per centimeter cubed. A small amount of gold can weigh a lot. How many moles of gold are in a 44.7 gram sample of gold flakes? The first thing we're going to do when we look at a problem like this is we need to focus on the parts of the problem that give us information. In this case, the first thing we note is the atomic symbol for gold, which is important if we're going to be looking at the periodic table. The next information is the density of gold, which is important if we need to establish a mass-volume relationship. The next sentence isn't important because it doesn't give us information, so we're going to skip it. The last sentence is a question. How many moles of gold are in a sample of 44.7 grams of gold flakes? That's the question that gives us the most information in what we're looking for. So what do we have? We have 44.7 grams of gold. What do we want? We want the moles of gold in that sample. And what do we need? We need a conversion factor from grams to moles of gold. To find that conversion factor, we turn to the periodic table. The periodic table is listed by symbols. So we use the symbol for gold, which is Au, right here, and we get the information that we need. It gives us the element number, and it also gives us the atomic mass, which is 196.9665 grams per mole. That's the conversion factor that we're going to use to solve this particular problem. So where we need a conversion factor, we put our 196.97 grams per mole, rounding slightly. Now we're going to set up our problem using this new information. The first thing we do is we bring down our 44.7 grams of gold. We're going to be using dimensional analysis, so we'll set up our grid. The first thing we need to note is that we have 44.7 grams up above, and in order to use dimensional analysis, we need to cancel those grams. So we need to put something down here that's also in grams. What is that? That's going to be our conversion factor. We'll put our 196.97 grams below, and we'll put our mole up above. That allows us to cancel the grams and do our final calculation, which is 44.7 divided by 196.97, which gives us 0.227 moles of gold.